moments later.
Melly, what are you doing? Are you eating spaghetti? Sarap? It's yummy? Wow. Yummy. Galing naman kumain ng bebeng yan. Wow, yummy. Dandahan lang.
Meanwhile,
Do you love Shana and Sia?
Yes.
Why?
I love Shana, that's why I love Shana, that's why, because I but Shana every day, that's why I love her.
And how about, do you want to play with Shana?
Yes.
Why? Who is Shana? How are you related to Shana?
I love Shana.
How are you related to her? She's your?
She's my cousin because I love Shana.
And also her big sister?
And she is she is play with me dinalabas kanina.
Is Sia your cousin too?
Yes.
Do you love her?
Yes.
You want them to go here? Na?
Yes.
What would you tell to Tito Lay?
Please.
Let?
Yan sana dito. Ayaw ko na, ble. Mani sukul yan, sukul pwede dito. Walang bable.
So, you want
Gusto
Sia?
ko si Sia dito. Si Sia.
much later.
Ano niya? Oh, game na. Game na.
Anong lasa?
Sarap na may mahalang.
Anong kinakain mo?
Hotdog.
Hi, Mel. Go there. Don't eat it.
Gusto mo?
Harap ka dito. Harap ka dito. Taas mo yan. Ilapit mo dyan yan. Po ka dun.
Patayin mo na.
Yan na lang natira.
Ayos yan.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
A few inches later.
1 to 6 lang yung password. Ang mouse nito babay.
Yun lang.
Mouse pang tested.
Hi, Mel. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, you're eating. You're eating it. You cook it, right? You cook it?
Lumot na yung tumbok ko.